My name's Alanah and I am here celebrating my graduation from Endota Wellness College. It's really exciting to finally graduate and finish my diploma after 12 months, putting in all the hard work, all of the assignments and the practicals. Being able to have external clients come into the college was really exciting. Tonight I won the Best Facial Award, which was really exciting for me because I love everything there is to do about skin, and working in the industry now means I have my own clients, being able to treat their skin. It's really special them putting their trust into me to be able to help them reach their goals with their skin. And yeah, I feel very honoured winning the Best Facial Award tonight. So I'm currently a beauty therapist at Endota Spa. I absolutely love my role there. I do a wide range of treatments ranging from massages, I do facials, I do some beautiful spa packages. So yeah, I go into the spa, set my room up, and then I begin with my clients, and every client's different, so my days all look different. My favourite highlight at EWC was definitely making a close group of friends. I loved my class, we were really supportive and had each other's back and just helped each other whenever we needed. Another highlight for me was my trainers. They were just so unbelievably supportive and beautiful. Seeing them every day just made me smile. My favourite unit would have to be facials. I'm very much a skin girl and I love everything there is to do with skin and skin health and yeah, being able to treat clients with their skin. I would definitely recommend EWC to anyone that's interested in studying a diploma of beauty therapy. You're in a beautiful, calm environment every day, which makes your studies there just very enjoyable. You also have your beautiful, amazing, supportive trainers, and yeah, it's a really beautiful place to study. When I first started this journey of beauty therapy and wanting to study beauty therapy, I had a look at a lot of different colleges out there, but when I came across Endota Wellness College, for me it was the one that resonated with me the most. The well-being side was very important to me, and yeah, I ended up there and it was really beautiful. EWC helped to prepare me to work in the industry by becoming really familiar with client consultations and how to have that communication with your client about their concerns and their needs and being able to reach their goals that they are after. They also helped to prepare me with all of the products, so when I transferred into work it was really seamlessly to be able to prescribe the products to my clients. I did have my family come in, my sister and my mum and a lot of my friends, and they loved every minute of it. Being pampered, it was just really beautiful to be able to pamper those close to me. I'd also just like to thank my family for their amazing support over the 12 months, as well as the support from my trainers. It was very much needed through all of the assignments and the practicals, from helping me to source clients to helping me with my assignments if I needed that help. The trainers were always there for me and it was a really beautiful experience.